In Productive 4.0, all partners have been working to come up with innovative concepts and solutions for Europe's future-proof industries, addressing diverse specific fields and challenges. TriMech, with the collaboration of other partners, has focused on the metrological field, developing new services for the Metrology 4.0 new paradigm, based on an information-intensive transformation of manufacturing in a connected environment, bringing new challenges and trends to achieve the zero-defect manufacturing target. Adopting a holistic problem resolution, designing optimum strategies, speeding the quality control process, thus moving from lab to fab. Adapting the process to an inline operation, gaining real-time awareness. Providing a connected smart quality environment, connected assets, operations, product, workers, and experiences, with digital tools and workflows. Through Productive 4.0, TriMech has been working on a list of services to adapt its metrology systems to some of the sector needs, increase the speed of data processing, and provide tools that support decision-making in production. The flexible quality control service is based on the incorporation of the TT TechNerve integrated IoT edge component on the metrological framework, with the aim to obtain a smarter control of the quality control process, providing the metrological environment with a capacity to reduce considerably the processing time required to analyze certain data. Much of the dedicated efforts has consisted of enabling communication, interoperability, and correct synchronization of this device with all the elements of the metrological framework, but once it was achieved, the following functionalities were gained. Multiple applications can be hosted as virtual machines and containers to maintain system separation. Local processing capabilities. Remote access and centralized control. Collect, store, distribute and analyze real-time data. Secure access to data wherever you need it. Thanks to this device, TriMech has achieved the goal to converge diverse quality control process functionalities in one device. The Proactive Quality Control Service is based on M3 Analytics, a metrological software solution based on the statistical analysis of metrological information and process data, which can be presented in personalized reports for full and real-time production traceability, as it can combine production data with quality data. M3 Analytics possesses many functionalities, as for example, the analysis of CP and CPK statistics. It also allows the creation of dashboards where the information can be organized based on the parameters that interests, the creation of histograms, the incorporation of customized filters, and also the creation of personalized reports. With all these tools, but above all, with this last service developed, it is intended to be able to detect trends in the production system that may cause future failures and be able to foresee future maintenance needs, something that is of vital importance for end users like EPC, who have already been able to integrate this service into their customized coordinate measuring machine for their camshafts dimensional inspection. With the developed services, some KPIs have been measured, of which we can highlight that we have been able to reduce the processing time of cloud point acquisition, reduce the defective parts manufacturing, and decrease the cost related to quality claims due to non-compliances.